first we imported all the necessary required packages as well as import necessary libraries, and these are our data looks like, and it has approximately 29,000 examples, so as well as nearly 5,000 validation examples. So coming to the initialization tokenizer part, so we use the Google MT5 Small. So because of our constraints with our T4 GPU, so MT5 Small, it is pre-trained on 101 languages including SMEs, and it has a manageable size of parameters, 300 million parameters. And coming to the implementation process, so we use the Hugging Face transform library to load MT5 Small, and with our considering the T4 GPU, we use the batch size of batch size of 4 and 2 training epochs and gradient accumulation for stability. So we fine tune the model on our assignments dataset. So coming to the observations, and as well as we saved away model to our Google Drive. So coming to the training loss and validation, we got 3.4 at the start and it went through like 2.6. So maybe if we have more GPU, we can even run up below 1. So this is our training and validation loss over time. So there is no overfitting. So as the training loss decreases over time and the validation loss also decreases over time, we just run like 5,000 steps, maybe 15,000 or 20,000 will give you a good results. So as considering the 5,000 steps, let's see the evaluation. So we just imported from our saved Google Drive. So from here and tokenize it too. So coming to the responses, so let's say this is our input, these are sample. So in the Google Translate, the question is how to succeed in life, and the answer we got is you can succeed in life. In life, you keep on repeating the word, so that means like it keep on repeating. So but it understands basic capabilities like recognizing Assamese scriptedly first, and understanding the question formats, as well as attempts to structure responses, using numbering, maintaining basic grammar patterns. So main wishes we see is repetitive text generation and stuck in loops, repetitive phases, and incomplete response formation. So this could improve by doing more. The first step is more data processing, taking maximum length of like maybe 512 or 256. We have taken only 128 here. So and in the model training arguments, maybe running like 5 epochs or batch size taking as 5 and increasing more learning rate, and while generating the parameters SMS responses. So by maybe taking minimum length more than 20, taking 20 and adding number of beams and uh, number of repeat and gram size. So or we can even try the alternate approaches like T4 constraint, MT5 efficient small, and mixed precision training, as well as implement better data filtering too. So with this doing, maybe we can see our model even better. In for our case, we created a interactive texting interface where we created boxes for the input and it generates some output here. So we tried to test it the test cases too. Let's say we try test case of 10 here. Let's see one of the example. So the question is, so what does the DNA stands for? and maybe the result would be the DNA stands for and keep repeating. Oh, there are several requirements for what a DNA is, and maybe it's giving good for the first some of the tokens. So after then it should be improved. Maybe running more would be a good idea. So thank you everyone.